Hello friends, welcome back to my new video and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, we are going to talk about guys Facebook setting. And today video title is how to change profile photo on Facebook account. So friends, you want to change profile photo on your Facebook account. So friends, now let's see how to change profile photo on Facebook account. One by one and step by step we will talk about. So before start the video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, first of all we will turn on Facebook application. After turning on Facebook application, you can see this type interface on your Facebook account. First of all, tap on your profile icon. You want to change your profile photo, so you can change. My net is very slow, no internet connection, we will wait. Profile photo will show. Now friends, select your new profile photo and you can change your Facebook profile photo. So yes, I will select new photo. For any example friends, I will select this photo. You want to adjust your photo, so tap here. You can adjust your photo. You can edit your photo. You want to mark here on your photo, so you can select color, okay, and you can mark here. You want to add any text on your photo, so you can add text on your profile photo. You want to add any sticker, so you can select sticker and you can add. You want to crop your photo, so you can crop your photo. After set your photo, tap here done option. Photo will change on your profile. Friends, tap here save option. Your profile photo will change after 10 and 20 seconds. Save option, tap here, profile photo will change. Uploading your profile photo, friends, you can check here. After 10 and 20 seconds, your profile photo will change and you can check. You have new profile photo. See profile picture, tap here and you can check. Just now. So like that friends, you can change your profile photo on your Facebook account. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. To find out if you have any problem, so you can ask me in comment section. Thank you.